Oh, hey you guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a staycation at the Fremont Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. I'm going to show you guys what a hotel room looks like, walk around the casino floor, check out all of the restaurants, and walk down the Fremont Street Experience. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. So guys, here is where you drive in, and just so you know, there is no parking garage for hotel guests, which is really weird, but there is free valet, but obviously you want to tip the guy. This I'm passing is their front desk. It's really small, and right across are the elevators that go up to the hotel room. Okay, here is what the hallway looks like. And I got a room that was near the elevator, so we're right here. Let's see if I can get in. And here we are. So you guys, I'm gonna put the price of this room on the screen, but I wanna say it was $48. So let's manage our expectations. And you know what? It's small, but it looks clean. A few things up on the wall. It does look, it's a little wrinkly. What do you guys feel about the like comforter being a little wrinkly? Let me just start. Here's the door. The two beds. My view, which is just really nothing. There's downtown Grand right over there, and I'm in the back of some hotel. She did say at the front desk it wasn't going to be a grand view. The TV's kind of large, considering I've been other hotels where the TV was kind of puny. I have a full-length mirror. Let me back up towards the window. Ouch, I already bumped into the AC. It's clean, it's small, it's about $48, so let's keep that in mind. They have a free coffee. It says you get 2 cups of coffee free per day. Okay, that works. And I'm imagining this is the refrigerator. Nothing in there, which means you can kind of bring in your own stuff. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay guys, it's small, but it's modern, it's cute, it's clean. I actually, in order to film, have to step out into the bedroom to be able to get the whole thing. No bathtub, just a shower. And in there, they have dispenser for conditioner and shampoo. It's not horrible. Okay, and if I back up towards the door, this is some closet space. Closet, ironing board, and the safe. $40, I think, on a Monday night. Not bad. You guys, there's a food hall here. Let's check out what they have. Craft Cafe and Bakery. There's a Dunkin' Donuts, Rolly Roadies. Tomo noodles. And a steak and shake. Okay, we got some food in the food hall from Tomo Noodles. We got the tonkatsu ramen and poke nachos. It wasn't bad for a fast food place.
Outside of the food hall, you'll find the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, Tony Roma's for ribs, and Lanai Express, which is a fusion of American and Chinese food.
More bar. It's a really small casino, you guys. It's like an L shape. They've got a lot of slot machines, poker machines. I'll try to get a little of the table games. And you guys, it's a Monday night. It's fairly busy. There's also a bar down here. If I pronounce that right, it looks like Filament. If you're wondering why it kind of looks empty, it's a Monday night, and Monday afternoon actually, I tend to film on off days and off hours just so I'll be able to film. So there's the bar. And you know what's amazing is right out those doors is the Fremont Street Experience, which we'll check out later, but that would be one of the main reasons why you'd want to stay here, just because of proximity. It's actually, I mean, it's small, but it's packed with a lot of machines. And here, here's the best thing. You walk out the doors and you're right at the Fremont Street Experience. I mean, I think for $48, that is a great deal. There's always something happening out here. Look, you guys.
At the Fremont Street Experience, you can enjoy the free Viva Vision light shows, which are displayed on the largest LED canopy screens in the world. It happens every hour starting at 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. and it's free to watch. You can also venture out to neighboring casinos which are really close, like Golden Nugget, Binion's, the D, and Four Queens, to name a few. Here is a complete list of casino hotels that are on or very near Fremont Street. If you're feeling a little adventurous, you can fly over downtown Las Vegas on the Slotzilla zip line. On this stage, you'll also be able to catch free concerts while you're here. And last but definitely not least, there are always street performers who are either dancing, painting, or doing some kind of magic trick to help keep you entertained. I am back in the room after walking around the whole casino, walking around outside. I'm gonna have to say, okay, it's not the most glamorous room. It's $48. It's a great deal. I know a lot of YouTubers feature, huge suites on their channel. I just wanted to show what your average person coming to Vegas will most likely book, which is a deluxe room like I have with 2 queen beds, non-smoking, and it's clean. And I'm in the belief that when you're on vacation, you shouldn't be sitting in your room the whole time. So you're really just gonna come here and sleep. I think the big plus factor staying here at Fremont is its proximity to the Fremont Street Experience. You just walk out the doors and there you are, and everything is right there. And when you stay on the Strip and the casinos look really close to each other, they're actually far away. Unlike downtown where I am, you literally walk out the front door and you have the D, you have Binion's, you have Four Queens, there's Circa. I mean, it is really a great spot. It's a whole different vibe. I think it's a more relaxed vibe. Table game minimum bets at blackjack were about $10, $15, which isn't bad. I think this is a great deal for $48, really. I mean, if you really want to go to the Strip as well, it's just 5 minutes down the road. So, great deal. I recommend. Now, don't look for glam or anything. It's not a glamorous hotel, but as you saw earlier, it's clean. I like it.
Okay, you guys, it's time for me to go. Please like this video, share, subscribe. It really does help my channel grow. Until the next video, stay safe. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.